Hello, let's do an example here. This is an example for the book Algebra Scaffold, Quadratic Scaffold. I will show you how you can use everything here, how you can solve these quadratic equations, and then using the book, you will start with a lot of parts here completed. So it would be easier for you to understand and solve it. But as you get more experience, then less information will be here for you, and you will have to remember and put everything by yourself. But working uh, slowly and understanding and redoing things will help you understand and become an expert. So let's start with an example. An example would be here x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. That's our equation. So let's put all the numbers here because it's in the correct format. In front of x, here you see nothing, but you have 1. And here b is minus 3, and c is minus 4. Oh, there's a problem here. Let's do something like this. So here we have minus 4. Okay, let's do it. A, b, and c. See, a is 1. B is here, and it's minus 3. And C, that's here, and it's minus 4. Now, we have these numbers here, A, B, and C, and we can find this one, the discriminant. It uses B, A, and C in this formula. Remember, when you have any of this number negative, then you need to use parentheses. So here, B is minus 3, so we have to use minus 3 in parentheses. This is minus 4 times A is 1, and C is minus 4, another parenthesis here, minus 4. Then we have to do all these calculations. We start with this because that's a power, so minus 3 squared, that's 9. Why? Because minus 3 squared is actually minus 3 times minus 3. That's plus, because minus times minus is like taking this one and you put it here. So this one, it's here and you have a plus, and 3 times 3, that's 9. So that's how we find 9 here. And then we have to do all these calculations. So minus 4 times 1 times minus 4. This one here, this part gives minus 4 times minus 4. That's a plus. 4 times 4, that's 16. So here you get a plus 16. And now 9 plus 16, that's 25. If you think it's not so easy to find 9 plus 16, then you can easily think it like this. So 9 needs 1 to get 10. And this one is taken from 16. So it would be like this. So 16 is 1 plus 15. And why 1? Because 1 with 9, it's easy, it's 10. And 15, now it's easier to find because you don't have 9 plus 16, it's 10 plus 15, that's 25. So if you have 9 or 8, it's easy to take from the other number the part that completes it to 10, and then everything is easier. Anyway, we found the determinant, it's 25, and when it's greater or equal to 0, you can use this formula. If it's negative, then there are no solutions for the initial equation. So here we have solutions, and we are going to find them using this formula. This formula has B, this formula has D, that's the discriminant, that's the discriminant, and it has A, and we know all these numbers. B, that's here, it's minus 3, this minus is this one from the formula. So we have to put a parenthesis, minus 3, and we're okay. The discriminant, we find it. It's 25. And also here we need A, but A is 1. So we're done for this part. Now we have to do 3 easy calculations. minus 3, that's 3. And then we need the square root of 25, that's 5, because 5 times 5, that's 25. And now here, below this line, we have 2 times 1, okay, maths are easy. So we have this strange fraction now, but this fraction has plus and minus, so it's actually two fractions. First one is 3 plus 5 over 2, and the other one is 3 take away 5 over 2. And now we have to calculate these numbers. 3 plus 5, that's 8, divided by 2, and we get the result of 4. And now 3 minus 5, that's minus 2, because 5 is bigger as a value than 3, so its sign is the one that stays here, so minus 2. 5 take away 3, that's minus 2, over 2, and again this is minus 1. Those two numbers are the results. What does those two numbers mean? Those are the only numbers that you can put in this equation instead of x, and you get the result of 0. The only from the infinite numbers. So we have solved this one. I think it would be nice to show you some things here, how these a and b and c numbers are affecting the result. So you can see a here is also here, and we have it written over there, and a is used there. Whereas do we have a is always here also. So here we get 1. So that's where we get a. Also, a is included here, but let's overdo it. Let's not overdo it. And then we will track b. So b is here, it's minus 3. Yes, b minus 3. And we use it here in the parentheses because it's negative. And again, b is used over here. Again in a parenthesis because it's negative. So this is where b affects everything here. And now let's do c. So c is minus 4. We know it here. And c is used here because it's negative. It's in this pair of parentheses. But you don't have c in another place. So that's it. So you can see that A is affecting here, and here, and here, and also there. B, just there, and again in that formula. So that's the way you're supposed to work out this exercise. You can use the book, and believe me, if you start working on that book, it would be much easier for you to work and remember this really important calculation. So thank you very much for your attention. And if you have any question or anything else that you want to mention, reply in the comments. Thank you.